Ever wondered how artificial intelligence can simplify your everyday life? It's not just a futuristic concept anymore. AI is weaving itself into the very fabric of our daily routines. Take personal assistants, for instance. Google Assistant and Siri are AI-powered marvels, always ready to set your alarms, make calls, or play your favorite tunes. But the reach of AI goes beyond just managing our schedules. AI is not limited to personal assistance. It's reshaping various sectors of our lives. From social media to healthcare, AI is transforming our experiences. It's personalizing our feeds, recommending friends and content that pique our interests. In customer service, AI chatbots are providing support round the clock. In healthcare, it's not just about diagnosing diseases. AI is also developing new treatments. And in e-commerce, it's personalizing our shopping experience, suggesting products based on our history. And let's not forget the AI-powered autonomous vehicles and smart home devices that are redefining convenience. Indeed, AI is everywhere, making our lives easier and more convenient. Intrigued by the potential of AI and want to make it a part of your life? Well, the first step is to pinpoint what tasks or problems you'd like AI to assist with. Once you've got a clear understanding of your needs, it's time to delve into the vast world of AI-powered tools and services. Remember, it's crucial to compare your options before choosing. Don't rush to automate everything at once. Start small, perhaps with a simple task or a specific issue. Remember, the key is to start small and gradually harness the power of AI. AI is not a concept of the future, it's here now, and it's making a difference. From personalizing your social media feeds to powering self-driving cars, AI impacts many sectors of our lives. It's shaping healthcare, revolutionizing customer service, and even optimizing our shopping experiences. The key to harnessing its potential lies in understanding its applications and adapting them to fit our lives. So start small, experiment, and gradually integrate AI into your daily routine. Embrace the power of AI and you'll be amazed at the possibilities it opens up in your everyday life.